that's at 50%, and we are on fours. That's full throttle. First time running. Alright, we're gonna go 75.
Mm-hmm.
See? Got the gyro on about 20%. That's full throttle. Bring it back down. We'll do a 100% run real quick. No adjustments have been made. It's 100% on the throttle. Yeah, you good. Thank you.
You want me to leave it right up here?
No, you good. We can put it right here, ma'am.
Okay, cool,
yes,
cool,
ma'am.
cool. Y'all
Have
do
a great
okay.
day.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank y'all.
Yes, ma'am. See those tires ballooning on 100%. We'll go down a little further so we can get a little bit better, but this is not going to be the full speed run. We'll put the GPS on. Let me turn the steering down a little bit. You can see it's still We have some big belt tires we could put on here to keep it from ballooning, but we have this for an off-road vehicle more so. We had this for an off-road vehicle. Special delivery, more 4S batteries. You getting those wheelies new?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that's just like a blip. Seemed like it lost throttle, lost connection just a little bit. I'm not sure. Or that was an automatic brake or something like that. But we'll see. Don't know the distance as far as how far it can go.